Today we're going to describe patterns, and this is the first in a series of videos about patterns, so it's the one that you should watch first because it's an introductory to patterns. So I want you to look at this pattern and think about what you notice about it. When I look at this pattern, I want to think of it as that first one as figure number 1, figure number 2, and figure number 3. So I'll refer to them that way. And something that I noticed is that in figure number 1, I could use 4 red sticks to make figure number 1. Figure number 2 then could have those 4 red sticks, and then I could add 3 blue sticks. Figure number 3 could start with the 4 red sticks, then I would add 3 blue sticks and 3 green sticks. So that's one of the patterns that I noticed. But there's another way that I can look at this too, so that I'm increasing each one by the same number. So if I look at figure number 1, if I start with 1 vertical red stick, then I can add my 3 blue sticks. Figure number 2 has my 1 red stick and my 3 blue sticks from figure number 1, and then I'm going to add 3 additional green sticks. Figure number 3 is my 1 red with the 3 blue, the 3 green, but now I'm going to add 3 purple. So you can think of this as figure number 1 is 1 plus 1 set of 3 or 3 blues. Figure number 2 is 1 red plus 3 blues plus 3 greens or 2 sets of 3. And figure number 3 is 1 red plus 3 blue plus 3 green plus 3 purple or 3 sets of 3. Now if I were to draw the fourth figure, I notice that figure number 1 has 1 square, and figure number 2 has 2 squares, figure number 3 has 3 squares, so the fourth figure probably has 4 squares. If I were to draw the fifth figure, then it would have 5 squares, using that same reasoning. So now let's describe this pattern using words. So each time I start with my 1 red stick and then I add sets of 3 sticks. The number of sets of 3 sticks that I add is the same as the figure number. For example, here I have 1 set of 3, which is figure 1, 2 sets of 3, which is figure 2, 3 sets of 3, which is figure 3. So figure number 1 has my 1 vertical red stick, and then I added 3 blue sticks. So we can say it's our 1 red stick plus my 3 sticks, and since it's figure number 1, or 1 square, I'd multiply it by 1. For figure number 2, I have my 1 vertical red stick, my 3 blue sticks, and my 3 green sticks. So my 1 vertical red stick plus 3 multiplied by 2, because it's 2 sets of 3, or I can think of it as figure number 2 or 2 squares. And figure number 3, again, my 1 vertical red stick plus 3 blue sticks, 3 green sticks, and 3 purple sticks. So I have 1 plus 3 for the sticks, and I have 3 sets of 3, or 3 squares, which is figure number 3. So now how can we find the 10th figure without drawing it? Let's see if we can figure out how many sticks we would need. Well, I know to make 1 square, I need my 1 red stick, plus I need 3 additional sticks. If there are 10 squares, I know that that's the same as the figure number. So I can write it as my 1 red stick plus 3 sticks multiplied by 10, because this is to make 1 square, and I want 10 squares. Because again, 10 squares is the same as the figure number. So 10 multiplied by 3 is 30, and 30 plus 1 is 31. So the 10th figure should have 31 sticks. Let's see if we can figure out the 100th pattern. Again, the same thing. I know to make 1 square, I need 1 red stick and 3 additional sticks. So for the 100th pattern, well, 100 pattern is the same as 100 squares. So I can say 1 red stick plus my 3 sticks multiplied by 100 squares. So 3 multiplied by 100 is 300, and 300 plus 1 is 301 sticks. So I would need 301 sticks. Is there another way that I could find the 100th pattern? Well, I was thinking about in the beginning of the video, the first pattern that I described, I started out with 4 sticks, and then I added 3 instead of starting with 1 stick, like this. So in other words, my first square, or first figure number, is 4 sticks. And then I added 3 sticks every time. But since I start with 4, that means I'm already starting with a square. So instead of multiplying it by 100, I need to multiply it by 99 because I already have a square here. So I have my 4 red sticks plus 3 sticks, but now again multiplied by 99 since that first 4 red sticks makes my square. So the product of 3 and 99 is 297, and the sum of 4 and 297 is 301. So this way works as well. So I hope that helps you with understanding how we can describe patterns using words and how we can find patterns and the numbers in the patterns even without drawing them. If you enjoyed this, check out my other videos, which is a continuation on this. And as always, thank you so much for watching.